going to show you how to use the buttons on the Ferroli Bluehelix. On the left we've got the heating temperature. Press the plus button, the temperature go up. Press the minus button, the temperature go down. On the right we've got the hot water temperature. Plus button, the temperature go up, and the minus button we can lower the temperature down. We've got a summer winter button here as well. It doesn't give you an actual icon for the winter sign. If there's no sign, that means the actual boiler is ready to go, as long as you've got the room start on and the time clock on. If you press this button, it will come up as sunshine. If that sunshine's on, it doesn't matter if you've got the heating on maximum, the time clock on, the temperature's on full, it will not work. The way you have to get it back off, you press this button, it will go to 2 dashes, then you have to press it again, then it disappears, and that's the summer winter button. We've also got Eco Comfort mode. Eco Comfort is basically preheat hot water. Eco means as soon as you turn the hot water tap on, that's when the boiler will actually fire up. Comfort mode will keep preheating a certain amount of water up in the boiler, so as soon as you open the tap, that water will start coming out virtually straight away. And this is how you do the Eco Comfort. You press the button, press it again, you get 2 dashes, keep your finger pressed on the button, and you'll see like a little Tetris sign. When that stops, you'll go to 2 dashes, let go, press it again, and it's on comfort mode. To get it back off, same again, press the button twice, 2 dashes, keep your finger pressed in, it'll do the little Tetris sign again. As soon as you go to 2 dashes, let go, press it back on again, and the Eco button comes back on. That's how you use the basic functions on a Ferroli Bluehelix.